Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
So today we just woke up and we decided we're gonna do
YouTube channel. Today we're gonna have fun in the car.
Yeah, before we have fun in the car, we're going to do a morning routine. We're gonna show you what we normally do, and then later we go for shopping. We're gonna buy food. We have to cook for lunch. Papa is at work right now, and we need to make something for eating.
And Shushu.
And
Papa.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So stay tuned and enjoy this video. First, we're gonna start by cleaning the sitting room.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you
anything because it needs to be cleaned and arranged thoroughly. There's some things that need to go to cellar. So guys, we're done with the morning routine. Like I said, here is our toilet. It looks good. It's not dirty because our Shosho cleaned it. It's still looking good. And our bathroom too is also looking good. You don't need to clean up everything. It's still okay. So for now, we're done with the morning routine. We're just going out to, I'm going to make Adrian's food right now for the lunch so that he can eat before we go out. And then yeah, that's how we normally do. That's how my morning routine is, guys. So if you don't forget to like this video and to subscribe and to comment and to share. Bye bye till the next video.